Good day. My topic for today is all about the law of cosine, and which states that c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos c. This resembles the Pythagorean theorem except for the third term, and if c is a right angle, the third term is equals to 0 because the cosine of 90 degree is 0. And we get the Pythagorean theorem. So, the Pythagorean theorem is a special case of the law of cosines. The law of cosines can also be stated as b squared equals a squared plus c squared minus 2a cos b, or a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. So let's have example. A is equals to 11, given A is equals to 11 and B is equals to 5, and measure C is equals to 20 degree. First, we will draw the picture and label the sides. B, A, and C. So our A is equals to 11. So across the A is 11 and across the B is 5. And our measure angle of C is 20 degree. And to solve the missing sides, we have this formula, which is C squared is equals to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos c. So, to remove this squared, we'll just square out both sides so that c is equals to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos c. And equals to square root of 11, which is a is equals to 11 and b is equals to 5. So 11 squared plus 5 squared minus 2 times 11 times 5 cos c cos 20, because our measure angle C is equals to 20 degree. So we have the answer 6.53. Next is to find the remaining angles using the law of sines. So we have to get the answer, we have 11 over sine A equals sine 20 degree over 6.53. Using the cross multiply, we get A is equals to 1.45. And the same with the sine B. 5 over sine B equals sine 20 degree over 6.53. Using the cross multiply, we get B is equals to 15. Note that the A is opposite to the longest side of the triangle. Is not a right triangle. So when you take the inverse, you need to consider the obtuse angle, where sine is 11 sine 20 degree over 6.53. So which is, the answer is 0.5761. 5761 rather. So let's have another example. Given A is equals to 8, given side B is equals to 19, and side C is equals to 14. Find the measures of the angles. So we draw the pictures. A, B, C. Across the A is side A, which is equal to 8, equals to 8. And across the B is 19, and across the C is 14. It is best to find the angle opposite the longest side first, and that is side B. So now we'll try to solve the cos B. So cos B is equals to B squared minus A squared minus C squared over negative 2AC. So our B squared is equals to 19 and our A squared is equals to 8 and our C squared is equals to 14 over negative 2 times 8 times 14, which is negative 0.4508. And since cos B is negative, we know that B is an obtuse angle. So therefore, our B must be B is equals to 116.80 degree. And that is, since B is an obtuse angle and a triangle has at most one obtuse angle, we know that angle A and angle C are both acute. And next is to find the other two angles. It is simple to use the law of sines, which is A over sine A is equals to B over sine B is equals to C over sine C. Using also the cross multiply, we will find the sine A. So which is 8 over sine A equals 19 over sine 116.80 degree. So this is 100.80 degree over 19. And using the cross multiply, so we get 22.08. And next is to solve for sine C, which is using also the law of sines. 14 over sine C equals 19 over sine 116.80 degree. Using also the cross multiply, we get, no, this is wrong, 41.12. And that's would be all.